Hi friends, good evening. My name is Achyut and I'm from Isaac. So today in this class, we will discuss about some string methods. Like we are having a lot of string methods. So in those, we will discuss 10 string methods in today's class. The rest of the things we will discuss in the later classes. So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class. So we are having the first string method is capitalize. First string method is capitalize. So what is the description? It converts the first character of a string to uppercase. So we are having the example also. So for example, I'm having text is equal to hello world. So what's the first character? H, right? So then print text dot capitalize method will return the first letter of the word H. See here we are having the capital letter, right? So after executing this program in the idle, then we will get the required output where the first letter will be converted into the uppercase, which is capital H. And the second one is casefold. So what's the description? It converts the entire string to lowercase. So what is the casefold? It converts the entire string to lowercase, similar to lower, but more aggressive. So which means, for example, you're having the uppercase letters. So if you want to convert all the uppercase letters, you have to use the casefold string method to convert it into the lowercase. We're having the example C. We are having a hello and text.casefold. It will convert all the characters into the lowercase. And the third one is center. Center is a string in a field of a given width. For example, we are having a string hello, right? So text.center 20, comma, hyphen. So which means how many letters are there? H-E-L-L-O, right? Which means 5 characters, right? So it will be suited in the center. So how many hyphens are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in between the hyphen, the hello will be centered. So to center function will be used. And we are having count function. It will returns the number of times a specified value occurs in a string. So for example, if you want to count hello world in which how many times L is repeated. L. L is repeated. So if you want to count it, then you have to use text.count L. Then you'll get the output as 3. The output as 3. So you can get the count. So we are having the fifth one is encode. So it returns an encoded version of a string using the specified encoding. For example, we are having the text hello world. So I will print text.encode UTF minus 8, UTF minus 8. Then we'll get the P single quotes hello world. This is what encode means. It returns the encoded version. It is an encoded version of the string. This is the encoded version of the string. I hope you understand. And the sixth one is ends with, and it returns the true if the string ends with the specified value. For example, we are having hello world, and I'm telling text dot ends with world. Yes, it's true. For example, text dot ends with hello, then it's false because it ends with world only. If you specify hello, output will be false. And expand tabs sets the tab size of the string, sets the tab size of the string to the specified number of white spaces. For example, we are having hello and we are having tab space /t word, right? So text dot expand tabs of 4, which means you will get 4 tab spaces, tab spaces in between hello and word. For example, if you use /t, then how many task spaces you will get? Only one task space you will get. But if you want more task spaces in between them, then you can use the expand tab string method to get the required space between 2 words. We can give the count. by using the string method. And eighth one is find method. It searches the string for a specified value and returns this position of where it was found. Example, for example, we are having hello world and print text.find world and we are getting 6. We are getting 6. How can I how we are getting 6? So we it searches a string for a specific value, returns the position of where it was found. So what is the position of the word? So it's always position start with 1. Always position start with 1. So H is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0 O is 5. And after this, hello word W is started. So sixth word is the word. Like W is the sixth word. So it's starting from sixth position. It written the sixth position. And we are having format. Format specifies the values in a string. Format specified values in a string. For example, we are having Python and we are having hello and we are having flower brackets and text.format world and we are getting hello world. So in the flower brackets, we'll get the world in the use of format string method format function. By the use of string method format, we can get the required string inside this flower brackets. We want world, right? So inside the flower brackets, we get world by using format function. And we are having format map. So format specifies values in a string using a dictionary. For example, we are having hello and we are having a name inside the flower brackets. And if you want to specify the text dot format underscore map function, then we are specifying a name to the world. So we are we are giving the key name key to the value world. So whenever when you execute whenever you print it, then you'll get the hello world. So these are the some 10 string methods in Python. I hope you understand all these things. And in the next class, we will execute all these examples in idle and we'll see what output will come. And so that's it, friends. I hope you enjoy this class. And if you have any doubts, please comment in the chat. And that's it, friends. So if you think this video is helpful for you, please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefit from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you'll not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.